The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is Friday and our gospel will be coming from St. John chapter 15 verses 12 to 17. Jesus Christ said, I don't call you servants anymore because the servants do not know what their master is doing. I call you my friends because I have revealed to you everything that I have learned from my Father. My dear friends, how good it is to know that we have a God who is not too far away from us. That we have a God who really went down to our level and revealed everything to us. No secrets, but simply His desire to open Himself, invite us all, embrace us all. He cried with us. He waited for us and is always willing to understand and forgive all of us. And indeed, friend is a treasure in that case. And Jesus is a real friend. Hopefully, you will not look at Jesus as someone who is too far away. A God who is unreachable. A God who is impossible to meet in the crossroads, in the daily lives that we have. How good it is to know that we have Jesus as our best friend.